Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. Today I'm going to analyze the movements of natural gas futures in a very short time frame in a 5-minute chart, because I find that since the natural gas touched the lowest level on February 5th, 2019, after touching the lowest levels at the weekly support line here, you can see at the level of $2.640, we have seen a good bounce in a 5-minute chart in natural gas futures straight up to the level of $2.697. Since then we are witnessing a good consolidation amid this zone in natural gas futures in a 5-minute chart, and I find that the levels from $2.670 to $2.708, this range will definitely define the further directional move of the natural gas futures till the closing on February 5th, 2019. Therefore, I have divided this time period in some decisive zone. This will be my bullish consolidation zone. If we find the natural gas futures to consolidate amid this zone in a 5-minute chart, it will be very decisive that how much time the natural gas futures spent in a zone. Most of the time during the upcoming few minutes, we have to take a close look. So we will be watching the movements of natural gas futures very closely, because every fluctuative move amid this zone in a 5-minute chart will define the next directional move. So till the closing on February 5th, 2019, we will keep a visual eye over the movements of natural gas futures amid these decisive zones, which will decide the further directional move of natural gas futures. Here I find the immediate resistance level for natural gas futures is at $2.712. So if the natural gas futures makes an upward move, they will have to cross this immediate resistance before the closing on February 5th. Let us see, in case if we find an upward move and we find the natural gas futures to cross this immediate resistance at the level of $2.712, we will see the natural gas futures to enter amid this breakout zone within next few hours. No doubt that we will find the natural gas futures to move above the level of $2.789 in a short while, because here you can see in a 5-minute chart the natural gas futures are still witnessing a good buying amid this zone. This is a decisive consolidation zone where we can see the current position of 20 days moving average is still above the 20 days moving average, and the natural gas futures look ready for an upward move amid this zone. First, the natural gas futures will have to break this immediate resistance on the upper side. On the lower side, the level of $2.688 will provide a good support, which I will call it an immediate support in a 5-minute chart pattern for the natural gas futures. Once the natural gas futures maintain their position amid this decisive zone, we will find them to take a steep reversal from the current levels to move upward. So we will have to keep a visual eye over the movements of natural gas futures amid these zones, which I have defined till the closing of February 5th, 2019, because the sustenance of natural gas futures amid the zone in which they will spend more time will define their move in the same direction. For example, if they sustain amid this bullish consolidation zone for most of the time before the closing on February 5th, 2019, I will find the natural gas futures to remain in a bullish trend during the upcoming trading sessions. And no doubt, once the natural gas futures break above the level of $2.728 and sustain amid the breakout zone for the next few hours, we will see them to move further upward towards the level of $2.888 during the upcoming trading sessions. On the other hand, this is my bearish sentiment zone. If you find the natural gas futures are not able to sustain amid this decisive zone and we find a downward move, the natural gas futures are not able to sustain amid this bearish consolidation zone, because I find that the natural gas futures may take a good reversal from the upper end of this bearish sentiment zone. If we find them to come downward, we will wait for their reversal from the levels of the 2.676. But if they do not sustain above this upper end of this bearish sentiment zone, we will find a downward move in natural gas futures. So friends, these decisive zones will define the next directional move in natural gas futures. So be ready for an action in natural gas futures, but keep a visible eye over the minute move of natural gas futures amid these zones till the closing of February 5th, 2019. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.